this is easy. Come on, dude. You got it. Got it. Got it. Made it. Yeah, buddy. We made it. Creek Bed 5. Hard Enduro. Ooh-wee. A lot of poison oak in there. Good job. That's tougher than I remember it. Oh, no.
I've attempted this 3 times and I've only made it up twice. The first time remember right when it starts to get all like right in the very beginning after like out of those single tracks and all,
yeah.
After all that. I was going and then the bike died and I fell right over and I couldn't lift it up because we were doing this right at the end of the ride.
Oh, yeah.
So,
you're already wiped out.
I couldn't lift the bike up. It wasn't fun.
Well, great job, man. That's...
Clutch felt good though, like better control going up that time. You got that new lever you just adjusted, so it's...
Oh, okay.
Last time it was kind of weird.
Cool.
Well, I'm ready to do it. Two more laps on that.